MicroPython for the BBC MicroBit. My name is Naveen PS. I'm part of the instructor team at Makerdemy. This is an intermediate level course and prior knowledge of MicroBit is essential to follow this course. In this course, I will teach you step by step how to program the BBC MicroBit using MicroPython. By the end of this course, you will be confident enough to write code in MicroPython for any compatible hardware. You will also develop an in-depth understanding of the microbit and learn to interface a variety of sensors and peripherals with the microbit. As a part of this course, we will build from ground up a weather station using the microbit with an LCD panel and a BMP180 sensor. If you are a hobbyist, a teacher, a student or an engineer with a basic understanding of electronics and want to learn or teach physical computation with microbit, this is the course for you. So what are you waiting for? Come join me in this course. I'm looking forward to being your instructor and to guide you in tinkering with the microbit using MicroPython.